Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the rear horn sound. So when you go back, it makes this sound. To remove it, you'll press the horn button and the deceleration button at the same time till this goes back and forward like this. Then you'll simply turn off your wheelchair. You'll turn it back on, and now when you go backwards, it won't make that sound. Now to turn it back on, you'll do the exact same thing till it goes like that, and then you'll turn your wheelchair off, turn it back on, and you'll see that the noise has returned. Thank you, have a great day.